This bird is stuck in our house.
Oh, come on, bird.
Got a little bit smarter than that. I know you're a smart head.
Yeah.
But, anything to grab it with? I'm not trying to scare the bird either. We'll just grab it with a iron. Look at
what do we grab it with?
So beautiful. Will somebody grab me something that this bird won't like stick me with his beak with? Like a towel or something? Like a towel? Like a towel. No, that's not gonna do.
I need like a paper towel.
I need like a thick cloth.
I don't have any left. They're all gone.
Grab my coat. Grab my coat. Come on, buddy. It's this way. It's this way. This window doesn't open?
No.
Then how the hell are you getting in through the front door?
I can't imagine.
He's so tired. Just, yes, wrong beak. Yeah, I know. I see that beak. Yeah. Hold this.
This bird is stuck in our house.
Right there. Take your shirt off.
In the windowsill.
I have nothing to do. Blanket.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Just grab him.
These two men are trying to help the poor baby bird.
Just grab it. Stop fighting.
Oh.
I'm gonna jump right into your hands. There you go. I don't want to crush it because I know my hands.
Just hit it on the...
That's a good boy or girl. Or Shem. Could be both. I'm gonna arms you in. Look at that. Bye. Where'd he go? There. He's right there. Where? He's flying up to the tree. I see him. He's over there. For sure.
Signing off. These are the two men that saved him. Signing off.